I don't enjoy my play. I can't concentrate. I'm on a mission to find the best home studio setup for beginners under $500. And with some help from Sweetwater, let's see what we got. And the best thing about this setup is that it will work on your computer. It will work on your iPad. So if that sounds good to you, because you like the video. What I got right here in this box is a Quantum ES Ultimate Bundle from PreSonus, all right? So we got to get this out of the box. I'm gonna have to talk to my Sweetwater rep about this because I don't like none of this candy in here. Come on now. What I got right here is the studio. It comes with the Quantum ES2 interface. We got headphones. We got the Iris 3.5 studio monitors. We got the M9 condenser microphone. And we get Studio One for 6 months. Time. Listen. I worked at a warehouse before, gang. I know how to open. I know how to use one of these. So, microphone right here. You know we gotta pass the smell test. New equipment right here. Look at it. So let's see. I don't enjoy my play. I can't concentrate. Let's look. So now that I got it all out the box, let me set it up. First, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Sweetwater. Before I had a working relationship with Sweetwater, I was always buying my gear from them. Sweetwater has fast, free shipping. I've never had a package get lost. I never had a package get pushed back. They also have a free 2-year warranty when it comes to gear. But the number one thing I love the most is the personalized gear advice that you get from your dedicated Sweetwater sales engineer, like your sales rep. They will help you out. Like, I've been on the phone with them for hours trying to figure out what mic stand do I need? Do I need this cable over this cable? What can I do? Like, I was in the process of trying to build out a pedal board, and I was talking to my rep, and I was like, hey, I want to build a pedal board. What do I need? And it was going through everything. It was like, you got this option, this option, this option, this option. I love that. Let's get back to it. Got the studio set up. I got the interface here. I got my speakers, got the microphone, and I got the headphones on. Okay. I don't have any third-party plugins. This is the Studio One Plus. Got a 6-month subscription for it. All right. So what we see right here, Studio One. All right. I got stock plugins in here. Ain't no auto tune on here. Ain't no nothing. You know? Ain't no auto tune on that. Just stock plugins, stock presets in here. And yeah, so I'm finna show you, finna record so we can see what's up. Big dog, I'm a big step. Copy me, I'm a trendsetter. Yo girl, write me love letter. That mic ain't that bad. That mic ain't that bad. So let's see, turn it on. See. Big dog, I'm a big step. Copy me, I'm a trendsetter. Yo girl, write me love letter. Preset. Big dog, I'm a big step. Copy me, I'm a trendsetter. Yo girl, write me love letter. Big dog, I'm a big step. Copy me, I'm a trendsetter. Yo girl, write me love letter. Big dog, I'm a big step. Copy me, I'm a trendsetter. Yo girl, write me love letter. Big dog, I'm a big step. Copy me, I'm a trendsetter. Yo girl, write me love letter. All right. So computer, not that bad. Not that bad. Second and third devices are gonna be the iPad and my iPhone, so they're kind of one and the same. All right, same cable, USB-C, good to go. And then you see we in BandLab, and you see I got the interface selected. It says right here Quantum ES2. That's the interface, and we good to go. Right, same interface, same speaker, same microphone. Right, all with the same bundle. So, oh, that's cool. They got it up there. That's cool. So, now if we go over here, watch it. See what it sounds like. Play it. Let's see.
I can't see. Baby, get some vibe, don't you like me? Baby, get some vibe, get some vibe. Baby, get some vibe, get some vibe. Baby, girl, you know that the morning. Baby, get some vibe, get some vibe. Baby, get some vibe, it's a vibe. Yeah, you know the one is a man of me. I know you mind is a man of me. I know that you, look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe.
Like, it's just easy, man. It's easy. Like, it's easy. Like, watch it.
Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe.
Like, it's just, like it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Play it back.
Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe.
Alright, so look, whenever, play it back. Play it back. Play it back.
Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe.
Off the iPad with the little setup. It's simple.
Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe.
Yeah, it's all like, watch it, play it back, play it back.
Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe.
Watch it. Watch it.
Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Look, I know that you mind is a man of me. You know what you see in me. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe. Baby, cause a vibe, cause a vibe.
That is the Quantum ES Ultimate Studio bundle on the MacBook, on the iPad, alright? Universal. We can do a lot, right? So this setup is perfect for beginners. Under $500, you just gotta make sure you have the phone, the iPad, or the computer, right? That's all you need, all right? But everything else is $500 in that bundle out the box. You can learn to use Studio One, do what you want to do, or just, you know, just vibe out, right? But again, I'd like to thank Sweetwater for sponsoring this video.